Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my 1982 MCI MC9. Tomorrow morning we have something special to do with the bus, so I want to get a few jobs done tonight before tomorrow. Any background noise is Greg working in the garage, and I apologize for any traffic. So basically before tomorrow, when we're on this memorial convoy for someone who passed away who's near and dear to the family, we're going to have a bunch of trucks out tomorrow. I want to fix the wiper arm that snapped on the way to the movie shoot in North Bay last fall. So since then, we haven't done many miles on the bus whatsoever. The prop master on that production was able to use 2 of my company pens and some electrical tape to brace it. And since then, not much has gone into the bus at all. But now that it's out of storage, we want to get more done. So immediately after getting home, I went through my trusty original parts and service manuals and got the part number for the wiper arm that we had to replace. I put the order into NFI Parts, so a big thank you to everyone at MCI and NFI for helping me do that. And a few weeks later, I got this amazing, huge box. So this arrived thinking that I got the whole wiper arm assembly with the snapped washer jet supply and the idler arm and the actual arm itself. And to my surprise, in the box, we had just the arm and not the one that snapped. So it's always good to have something in stock for these old vehicles, but I did have to go back to the parts manual and find the actual specific arm that I needed. So once we located that, less than a week ago, I placed an order for the proper idler arm, which is the one that snapped, and we also got the right-hand one as well, because if the left one snapped, the right one isn't far behind. And I am going to wait until it snaps, and I'll have it with me on the bus. But until then, I want to replace this tonight and a few marker lights for tomorrow. So specifically the destination sign, and I have a few forward-facing DOT lights that I want to replace too. So I think this is going to take just a couple pliers and a socket, I believe 5/8, and it should be some pretty quick work. So let's get to it and then get to the lights. Do you have your phone on you, babe?
Yeah.
Can you get a photo of this actually pulled down? I'm going to time-lapse this, so I'll have Ethan time-lapse this part. Actually, could you get a photo from behind the lights too? Thanks, babe.
Have your videos show how much you asked me to do randomly just...
I will make sure that this part is not sped up.
Oh, okay. What am I taking a photo of?
Just this being fixed.
Oh! Sorry, yes. Very excited. Oh, let me get a landscape one too. Oh yes, very exciting. Look at those biceps. Work it. Great farmer time. Okay,
Thanks, babe.
Oh, that's it.
I just wanted a photo.
Okay.
Did you get the camera and everything in it too?
I did not. Let me take 4 steps back. Show everyone what should be my workshop.
Alright, so it works. I've got it spaced. It's holding the wiper at a nice vertical angle. It's tilted in a little bit. I don't want to over tighten it too much and have any stress, especially if I'm going to be in any cold weather with ice on it. I don't want it to be like super taut to keep it super straight, because with any sort of weight or payload on it, I don't want it to snap again. So I'm happy with that. We're going to button it up and move to the destination sign. Alright guys, so just actually quickly before we move inside, I was just getting everything rearranged to do the destination sign, and I realized I forgot to do the little supply lines for my washer fluid. So over the years, the metal just got brittle and they both snapped right at the 90 degree from where the supply comes through the bus and out to the tubing. So you'll see that right here, I have now put on a new one, which if I can zoom in on, I've now done that on both sides. So basically, this little piece threads into the bus, and then there's a little nipple that comes into the hose. And I don't know how the weather people do this. It's all backwards for me. So I've actually done it on both sides. I've gone ahead and done that just to make sure that going down the road, we have no issues. So now with that done, you'll see on the destination sign that I actually have a few lights that are out. So we're going to go ahead into the bus and we are going to pop open that access panel and replace the lights that are burnt out there so the destination sign is fully lit. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so you'll see in here, I'm not sure if you see behind the TV, I do have 2 lights out on the destination sign out of a total of 5. So I went ahead and I ordered a bunch of these bulbs from NFI. There's a lot of different bulbs that are used in different areas of the bus. So for example, my marker light would be the same as another light on the bus. These lamps are maybe the same as the indirect lights in the bus. I forget exactly which ones match up to which. I have 3 different bulb types that I've ordered quantities of on each. So I think while I'm in here tonight, I will just go ahead and replace all of these. These ones seem to be a little fogged, whereas my new ones are actually crystal clear, if that'll focus on there maybe, maybe not. Regardless, I want them all to be the same, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to swap them out one by one. And then it is very warm in here. I don't have any coach AC yet, so that's why I'm sleeveless. We're going to button this up, pack up the tools, and call it a day on this video. Coming up though, I'm doing a complete detail. I have some marker lights to change. I know you're going to ask why you're not doing the marker lights before you do the destination sign. That's because tomorrow's convoy is a daytime trip. So I'm not going to be using my marker lamps. However, I'm going to try to put up a little memorial sign for the destination sign. Not sure if it's going to work, but if my plan does work out, I want it fully lit because there is a dimly lit building that I might take a photo in tomorrow. So for the sake of being out in the daylight but having a little plan afoot, I want this to work. And then in the coming videos, we're going to do the rest of the lights, swap out a tail light housing, get the step working, detail it, put in a new stereo that has Bluetooth with a retro look to it so that way I can listen to my music going down the road. A bunch of little things, but also a lot more driving videos. So now that we are going to be going down the road and doing stuff, I'm going to get a lot more POV action. But we're doing the little stuff first. So I do appreciate you guys watching. I'm just going to say now to please like this video, comment below your favorite part, subscribe to this channel, and please visit Bice HD because without Bice doing this, I don't have a channel and we don't have a bus to play with. So thank you, Bice, for all of your amazing work. Please go down below in the description, go follow his channel, like his videos, and share the content, please. So without further ado, bulbs. And before everyone says I shouldn't be handling these are incandescent. They're not halogen. If they were halogen, I would not be touching the glass part. Oh, that is so much nicer. Oof. Stand by. That one's being a little stubborn. There we go. Look at that, guys. Brand new, much brighter. Let's button that up, get outside, and check it out. Alrighty. I hope this looks great. I really hope this looks great. Oh yeah, check that out. You see up there we have a marker light to do. 2 of them actually. That looks great. Awesome. Well guys, I can't thank you enough. Thank you for watching these videos and reaching out on my social media. You can find me on Instagram at Shamrock Sean. I'm in most of the motor coach pages as Sean O'Mara. I will do some more videos in the future with my 1967 Plymouth Fury. And guys, I gotta say, I feel super blessed to be living this awesome life with all these amazing toys while I pursue my passions and my careers with an awesome fiance who has the patience of a saint. Without you guys supporting me and supporting this, I'm sure he would have been over it a long time ago, but he sees how much joy this brings to everyone, and he is just a silent angel. So huge thank you to you, Greg, for putting up with me, and a huge thank you to all of you guys who are following this and giving me tips and suggestions and helping me out, and everyone at MCI and NFI Parts and ABC companies who I work with supporting Von Hool. You guys have been amazing. Your part supply for every brand of Van Hool and Temsa and Prevo and MCI, everyone coming together to help me keep this thing going down the road has been absolutely amazing. So guys, thank you, and we'll catch you on the next one.